Hello dear students of class 10th, welcome to civics class. I hope all of you are fit and healthy. Students, in this video, I shall be continuing with the 6th chapter from your civics book, that is political parties. Students, in the previous video, I explained you about the different functions of a political party. I explained you 7 major functions that are required to be performed by political parties. I explained you that political parties form and run the government, then they contest elections, then they form several plans, policies, and they have different ideologies. Then I explained you that political parties play a very important role in opposition. If opposition will not be there, then the party who is in power that can misuse the power and corruption may increase. Then I explained you that political parties help to change public opinion and several other functions I told you regarding political parties. Now students, in this video I shall proceed with the next topic of this chapter, that is necessity of a political party. That means why a political party is important, what is its need. If political party will not be there, then what will happen, what will be the scenario, what will be the situation in our country, what will be the situation of politics. If political party will not be there, can our democracy survive, can our democracy run properly, smoothly or not. So before I explain you the necessity or the need of political party, let me tell you students, just imagine a situation without political party. If no political party will be there in the country, what will be the situation, what will be the scenario? See, if political party will not be there, then there will be independent candidates. Now, there are so many people, there are millions of people who are involved in politics. They are related to one or the other party. But if party will only not be there, then what will happen? The candidates will be independent. They will not think about the entire nation. They will not think about the entire country. They will only think about the place from where they are contesting election, or they will think about their self, obviously. So political party definitely plays a very important role. It is very important to have political party in a nation, in a democracy. For example, students, now in almost every constituency you will find candidates of the same party. For example, if I talk about the constituency of Rajasthan or constituency of Jammu and Kashmir, constituency of Bihar, constituency of Uttarakhand and several others. In every constituency, you will find the members of same party. For example, you will find the members of BJP in the constituency of Bihar also, in constituency of UP also, in the constituency of Rajasthan and everywhere. Similarly, you will find the members of Congress and several other parties. But if these political parties will not be there, then these members, these candidates, they will be independent. They will not be connected. Right now, there are several political parties and all the parties or all the members of the parties, they are joined, they are connected. But if parties will only not be there, then the members will not be connected. That bond will not be there. The party, the members, they will not become so strong as they are today. So that is why political parties are very important in a democracy, and especially if we talk about the country like India. So now I am going to explain you about the necessity of political party. So students, in order to understand the need or necessity of political party, you need to understand that if political party will not be there, what will happen? The first point is no uniform decisions. If political parties will not be there, then decisions will not be taken uniformly. Everybody will take personal decisions. Everybody will take individual decisions. For example, candidate from Delhi, that person will take another decision. Then the candidate from Rajasthan constituency, that person will take another decision, means they will not be connected, they will not be joined. So there will not be uniformity in the country. So this is the first effect if political parties will not be there. So it is very important to have political parties so that uniformity can be there. So this is the first point. Then the second point is no major decisions. See, in order to pass a bill, what is required? Majority is required. And how many members are there in the parliament? There are 545 members or 545 seats in a parliament. And in order to pass a bill, how many votes are required or how many seats are required? 272 seats or 272 members are required who should approve that particular law, and then only a bill can be passed. So majority is needed, but if people will not be there, then how majority will form? Because everybody has their own opinion, their own ideology, their own decision making power, their own plans and policies. So in order to take a major decision, majority is needed, and majority can only be there if political parties will be there, because political parties have their own opinion. See, we as individuals, we have our own opinion. I have my own opinion, you have your own opinion. Maybe our opinions might not match with each other. But if we are in the same political party, then definitely our opinions are likely to match with the opinion of the party. For example, if I am in the favor of removing Article 370 and the party is not in the favor of removing Article 370, but once I get into the party, I have to follow the opinion of that party. As I explained you, a term partisanship means feeling of commitment. I have to be committed towards the party, and then only with such commitments only major decisions can be taken. So if party will be there, major decisions will be taken. So this is also very important requirement or need, that so in order to take major decisions, political parties are needed. So this is the second point. Now the third need of political party is that why we require political party is accountability would be limited to constituency only if political party will not be there. See, if political parties will not be there, if the members will fight individually, then they will only be responsible for their constituency. They will only think about their state. That means only state party will be there, national party will not be there. That means nobody will think about the welfare of the nation. Nobody will be bothered about the plans, about the policies, about the programs to be implemented in the nation. Everybody will think of their own constituency from where they are representing or standing. So this way what will happen, they will only be accountable to their own constituency. Their accountability will be limited, their accountability will be restricted, and nobody will think about the welfare of the nation. But if political parties will be there, that means if one political party is there, for example Congress, then Congress will be in the entire state. It will not only be in Bihar, or it will not only be in Rajasthan, it will be in the entire nation. Right. So the ideology of Congress will spread in the entire nation, in all the constituencies. See, in all the constituencies, the members, the party members, they will have to follow the ideology of Congress. That means everybody will follow the same thing. That means they will have to bother about the nation. But if political parties will not be there, people will be restricted to their own constituency. So that is why political parties are needed. Alright? That means we have to be responsible towards the nation. If political parties will not be there, then nobody will be responsible to think about the country. They will be restricted to their own constituency. So that is why we need political parties. Then the next point, democratic now let's go to the next point. The next point is regarding representative democracy. See, in our country, representative democracy is there. Definitely democracy is there. That means rule by the people, of the people, for the people. But people, they cannot contest election, they cannot stand in the election because there are so many people, involved. So if everybody will stand in the election, what will happen? We will not get any result. It will be baseless, it will be useless, because it is not literally possible for everybody to contest election or to stand in elections. So we need representatives who will stand on our behalf. So if I talk about country like India, then as there are millions of people and everybody have their own opinion, their own ideology. So we need representatives who would represent our thoughts, and this can only be done through political parties. There would be representatives through political parties. So political parties, or the existence of political parties, is a must. So because political parties in a way shapes public opinion. They see the point of view of people. They are responsible for the entire nation. So this is the need of political parties. So that is why we need political parties in our country, so that everything, even the government, can run, can function in a better and smooth manner. So students, I hope this topic is clear to everybody. Now students, will be proceeding with the next topic. See, I have explained you that we need political parties. Political parties are very important for a country. Political parties are very important in a democracy. But the next question is, how many parties do we need? How many parties should be there in the country? That means the next topic is going to be party system. In this topic, I'll explain you about this question, that how many parties should be there in the country. So students, I'll be continuing this topic in the next video. Till then, thank you so much. Stay safe, revise your lessons well, study hard, study smart, and I'll see you in the next video with the next topic, that is party system. Till then, thank you so much.